At Uganda National Alliance in clean cooking, every member must present a certificate that shows to us that the products he's bringing on market conform to the standards.
We are very intentional in the way we engage with Uganda National Bureau of Standards, just to let them know about our products and to see how they can be certified. This will ensure that the customer gets a quality product.
Where over 2,000 people came together to talk about the next steps Uganda is taking in renewable energy. We have been able to interact with government, development partners. We have been able to showcase our technologies in the exhibition tent, where hundreds of people keep walking by every hour. They have asked questions about what we deliver, at what cost, where we can be found. So it was a huge opportunity and platform for us to be able to meet our potential clients, but also to get testimonies from clients who have already bought from us saying how our technology is working.
At UNACC, we've also gone far to reach out to the market, to the people. We have moved to around 50 districts just up to now. This year alone, discussing with the locals what should be a standardized product.
What we've seen wherever we have been, wherever the behavior change campaign has gone, the modern energy cooking devices, they're all taken up. Like, there's a yearning for more, and we've not yet matched that supply. Cook stoves, for example, improved cook stoves, we've seen that within the Clean Cooking Association, companies have also transitioned to a higher tier of cooking, and that includes pressure cookers.
Yes, you can steam your matoke in a pressure cooker. We specifically customized a button for matoke. It will show you the amount of power it's using in terms of wattage to assure you that it consumes less. One cooking, you can prepare both your sauce and food at the same time, meaning you're saving on the electrical cost, firewood costs, charcoal costs.
We're glad to be at REC25 to demonstrate to you the new technologies for institutional cook stoves. As you can see with the Jiko Pool, the institutional stove we're trying to promote to allow the institutions to convert from biomass cooking to electric cooking. Specialists in renewable energy technologies, that is biogas, modern high-tier cook stoves, as well as electric pressure cookers for both domestic and institutional systems.
We've excited the market, we've created the demand. We didn't expect that transition to happen so fast. People are shifting priorities to adopt these technologies because they've proven to work.
We urge the UNBS and other bodies to continue their rigor and strict work to ensure that all electric and clean cooking products that come into the country are within the standard, but we also realize that resources are limited amongst these bodies.
At UNACC Executive Board, we have a permanent seat of a ministry official to guide us. We have emphasized feedback. We have generated a hotline for members and the general public to give us feedback about what they find in the market. Because within us, we don't want to be moving with the people who are creating an environment which is going to be harmful to the people in the country.
We have listened to each one of you, and we have agreed that renewable energy is about improving lives, protecting our environment, and enabling equity in growth.
Uganda National Alliance on Clean Cooking, thank you for mobilizing us. You're like a mother that brings all the chicks together. Thank you for keeping us under your wing and bringing us to platforms like this that expose us to markets, to financing, to platforms where we can express the things that hurt us the most, like high import duties on taxes. Thank you, UNACC, for giving us this platform. We are proud members and we look forward to the next Renewable Energy Conference.